Today we're going to be taking a look at some LED headlight bulbs. These are from AUTOONE. These will be going in my beautiful 2008 Dodge Grand Caravan. I have to sweet talk her. She is my daily driver and she gets temperamental if I don't say nice things. So we're going to check these out. I have in the past done some reviews on LED light bulbs, so I'm getting a little more and more familiar with what to look for in these LED bulbs. So these light bulbs are for 12 volt applications, but the operating voltage is going to be from 9 volts to 32 volts. This bulb should only consume 26 watts and the color temperature is 6000 Kelvin. I'll put a scale on the screen so you can get an idea where the color is on that. I believe it should be a white, but we'll check that out once I get them installed. These bodies are aluminum, which it says right here on the box. Some of these are going to be plastic, and sometimes it's a mixture of both aluminum and plastic, but these are completely aluminum. It's a two-piece design. You can see the screws here. So hopefully everything goes well. We'll get these installed, but they are very well made. And they are also supposed to be CAN bus friendly. So this vehicle is a CAN bus vehicle, so we will know as soon as we get them installed whether or not that is in fact true. So this does come with a booklet that shows the different installation steps for the different light bulbs. And luckily this vehicle is very easy to change the light bulbs. These should have a built-in fan, which here you can see the fins to dissipate the heat. And there's really not a lot to the unboxing here. So we'll go ahead and pull the van in. We'll change out the bulbs. I'll show you how to do that on this vehicle. It's very straightforward, but I'll show you that anyway. Look how beautiful she is. So now that we have Beauty White in here, I've already popped the hood. We're gonna jump in and I'm gonna show you what it takes to change these headlight bulbs. All right, here I've got two lights set up. These are sponsored by my son, Devin. These are nice snap-on rechargeable LEDs, but here you can see just how easy these are to get to. So we gotta get that little red retainer slip back. We're gonna push down on the plug, unhook that, give this about a quarter of a turn. That's out. Now, one issue that a lot of LEDs have are these seals don't seem to be amazing. So I'm a little, I wouldn't say concerned, but interested to see how these fit. So we're good there. Turns. And it's nice and snug. And I'm struggling to get that on to where it'll snap. So let me work on that a little bit and see what I can come up with to get that to snap on. All right, there for a second I thought I was having an issue. I pushed these on and it was able to come back off, but once I pushed them on and pushed that red retainer back in, we're in good shape. I'm gonna go ahead and change this one real quick because I think we're gonna be in good shape. Pull that red retainer, push down, There we go. Got that off there. Give it a turn. Pull out the old one. Grab the new one. That turned in there. Push that on. And there we go. So let's go ahead and turn the headlights on and make sure the CAN bus stuff is working. Okay, looks like we've got some working LED bulbs in this Caravan. So I'm going to pull it out. We'll check what the old ones look like versus the new. Well, now that we have these installed, you can tell these are not an issue with the CAN bus system. Luckily, I get to leave for work in the morning when it's still dark. I'll try these out in the morning. But here, I'll show you what they look like before and after shining on my garage door. If you liked what you saw in those headlights, check out these, the AUTOONE. The bulbs I used were an H13, and that was on a 2008 Dodge Grand Caravan. There will be a link in the description below to buy yours, and look for a discount code in the description as well. Throughout this video, you may have noticed this project that I'm working on right here. This is a 1965 Ford Ranchero on an S10 frame, 5.3 LS on air ride. If this is interesting to you, I would suggest going back through and looking at some of my playlists on this car and some of the videos. If you're interested in these, just check them out in the description below. I'd be happy to answer any questions you might have regarding these. And as I mentioned earlier, the 6000 Kelvin appear to be just like a bright white. AUTOONE LED headlights, check them out. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below.